Hi, I'm Ronnie from Ronnie's Garage, and today we're having our monthly tech meet, and we'll be working on slow windows on a Bentley T2. I got one diode. What did I do with that one diode? Doesn't matter, we got more than one. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, let's see here, these, the green and red wires are the signal wires from the switch. Okay? And these go to the motor, and you wonder what, this connects to this clutch on the end, which is a brake. And what that brake does is make it so it doesn't fall down by itself. It's very important to keep this brake connected, because if you leave it disconnected, the brake's applied and your window's going to be real slow anyways. It might even work pretty good right now if we just hook it up normal. Let's try that with that, because we didn't have any power ground to it. Let's just see what happens before we get too deep, even though we're still going to do this mod. Let me pull this off so we get a better access to. These little door pockets are cool, but they have some special spacers behind them. Which are missing on this one. Uh-oh. So now I can get to these terminals back here. It's right there. There we go. We can make them go a lot faster. So just remember that, first of all, the car's not running, so we're running off of just the battery, which is maybe 12 and a half volts. When it's running, it's going to be closer to 14. You're going to get a little bit more push. Oh, okay. Huh? You can live with it? So we're going to make two output wires. I'm going to use a heavier gauge wire to the window motor, which is this 14? I thought I had some 12. That was that black wire, wasn't it? Look at that. So the relays, what I'm going to do, I'm going to end up mounting them. Usually just mount them right here. Just screw them on. You know, somewhere in this area. The pocket comes around to here. So I usually just mount them up here. So we're going to need signal wires, ground wires for the relay. Make the ground wires black. Wire strippers.
So is this a common problem on these cars?
Yeah, it's a drop in voltage.
So So while you're doing this, we should be taking measurements in the terminals, make up a wire harness and the kit, and just mark it a plug-in kit.
Well, that would be some real forward thinking. You're right. I'll make a note to do that in the future. We're going to use a big ground wire to ground the motor. Can use some shrink wrap, insulate those. This one.
You ever run into shrink wrap that has a gel on it?
Yeah.
Shrink wrap's the first time I've seen it.
And there's another company I think called shrinkwrap.com, which is where I buy the big rolls.
Oh, the place I like is
So we're going to put this on the normally closed, the big wire. See the big wire? We need that to have the high current for the motor, because the motor works off the center 3 terminals, these center ones. And then we'll use a little piggyback off of one side to ground the relay for the voltage feed from the switch. Okay.